beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful lineup that. And I think Techno has actually done the collection. I'm sure there's a model of that. It's absolutely beautiful, that. One of my all-time favourite units in this country, more than likely. It's an ex-Dutch unit. But look at that. Nice fleet, Annie. Can't be in a wheelchair, but hey, shows you can achieve anything. I mean, look at me. I only have 5.5 toes. And I still do be flying. I really do like that. What out of that, eh? It's a mobile home. Okay, man. T Cab coming. Jeez, that is hot. Wow. Yeah, and it's got twin stacks for Ian, so you can't get better than that, I'm afraid. One on low mass, or an X on low mass coming out now, and then a beautiful looking NG. Northern Ireland bound, I'm guessing. Got the biggest trailer at first though. Yeah, such a good photo of the next gen on the last convoy, doing the tracking shots. Apparently that was the very last, I heard that was the last American one to enter the country because of length limits. Whether that's true, don't quote me. But it's only a set. And look at what that's got on the back, eh? Going all the way back to Huddersfield in his Mac RD with his Mac B on back. 1970s, eh? And 1950s, but really don't like that grill on that. Really don't.